What's up, everybody? I'm Dom.
I'm Tyler.
And I'm Blaze.
And we're here with another episode of Happy Valley Adventures, starting in Flower and Stone.
They're seating around back. Let's go start breakfast.
Good, I'm hungry. That was really good. How was yours, Dom?
That was awesome. I can't wait to come back.
Mine was delicious.
I'm excited for goat yoga at Nittany Meadow Farms now.
Let's go get our yoga on.
Yes, sir.
Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold at the waist. Let your arms hang down. Inhale, walk your hands out. Come back for a down dog. Oh.
After goat yoga in the sun, I'm excited to explore Woodward Cave.
Yeah, it's cool in there. It's only 48 degrees year round.
Let's go take a tour.
Let's go.
Who is this your first time to Woodward Cave? Awesome. Well, I gotta tell you, we have some really amazing stuff inside. Did you guys notice by chance the sudden drop in temperature?
Yeah.
So Woodward Cave is one of the coldest caves in Pennsylvania. That fact becomes very important for one animal in particular, and that's our humble friend, the bat. Woodward Cave is the second largest hibernacula in Pennsylvania for bats. This is a stalagmite that is about 50 to 100,000 years of growth. Our kneeling camel is a dead formation. The silver lining, if there is any silver lining, is that this is probably the only time that a cave tour guide is going to say, by all means, you can actually touch the formation.
All right, guys, here at Blooming Petal Flower Farm, ready for a rematch from our flower arranging competition from a few episodes ago.
Dom, walk us through who won.
Blaze won.
Dom couldn't beat me once. I don't think he could do it again, but maybe you can give us a run for our money.
Let's find out.
So we have some petunias here. We've got some snapdragons over there. So the biggest thing is whenever you go to cut, the more you cut them, the more they grow. So that's the best part. We want people to come and cut them. And you'll just kind of cut it at the bottom above a set of leaves. And then the one thing is to take the leaves off because you can fit more in your vase.
Awesome.
We just finished filling our vases. I think I have a pretty good chance. Let's see what the judges have to say.
And you can be brutally honest. Hurt our feelings. It's okay.
Yeah, I think I got mine.
I mean, it's a pretty easy pick.
It's this one right here.
Blaze, it's definitely not
It's this
yours,
one.
but I know it's not mine.
It's definitely mine.
Yeah, Blaze, I don't think so.
It's definitely mine.
I'll start here with this one. To me, it's like a little short and kind of like all one color. I think I like that one the most because it's just got like, I like the red that's in the middle of it. But it was close between these two, in all honesty. But yeah, I have to go with that one.
The proportions are so off.
They are.
You're not the judge, Blaze.
I like the length on this one, but overall, I think I like Blaze's the best. I think the colors fit really nice. I love it.
So we're down to a split decision. We have one more judge vote, and let's see what she has to say.
So I'm probably not going to be the best to help because I would honestly go with the middle one.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
It's got the most use of the different flowers.
She's
so.
only saying that. No,
Yeah.
she's only saying that because he's her favorite.
Guess we're all getting participation trophies.
Mom, I know you like mine the most, and that's all that matters.
My mama's gonna like mine the most.
Another great day in Happy Valley. Thank you to all the venues who hosted us today.
Let's finish up the day with an early dinner at the Hublersburg Inn.
Time to eat.
What's up, everybody? Oh my gosh.
Greg, move that over here.